Let me just take this question from two different perspectives. One is as a consumer of this technology, and the second is as a provider of this technology, because we are an IT services company, so we are on both sides. Now, I think as a consumer of this technology, whether it is artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, IoT, etc., I think we're still trying to figure out how to really use it in a very meaningful way. Obviously, there is a lot of buzz around, using analytics for doing a predictive attrition, say for your HR, or using big data and predictive analytics for doing sentiment analysis or mood analysis for your people, so that before an event happens, you know about it, or using some other things like machine learning, etc. So as a consumer, I think we are still trying to see where we could really use it for increasing and improving our efficiency and productivity, because I think for the future this would be really, really important to see that. Yes, I think because our customers are also demanding that for the same value, how do you deliver more? Now the second piece is as a deliverable of these technologies to our end customers, and that's where today I think we hear all our customers, whether they're small size, medium size, or big size, asking us what is the expertise which we have built on this, whether it is IoT or machine interactions or big data or building up chatbots, etc. Now that's where we are trying to figure out that how much of a disruption it's going to have, but we definitely know for sure that there would be a disruption. Now we have to be prepared for it. That's where we have created a separate group which we call it as a digital group. We have defined some objectives for them, and we are now trying to have people within the team also trying to hire people outside who can help us building some of these expertise, do some proof of concepts for our customers, and then see how this would really, really help us in transforming our customers' business. But definitely I think as a provider of technology today, we see that yes, customers are asking for it more and more, and we need to be prepared for that. And the change which will be there is the type and quality of people who have the ability to deliver on some of these new technologies. I think the quality and type of talent would not be the same. There'll have to be a change, and that's where I think the challenge will be there for companies like us, where we will need to figure out whether it would be the same talent or it will be a different talent. If it's a different talent, how do you keep two different type and qualities of talent within the same organization?